Let's move on and speak of the TVK. TVK, which will be holding a statewide protest, and this is against the LOP Udayanithi Stalin over his controversial remarks that was made yesterday. The party has now termed the comments to be distasteful, saying that demonstrations will be held across the state demanding an apology. Now, this is coming at a time as far as the comments that has been made by Udayanithi Stalin seems to have irked, and this is now how disgusting has been the reference that has now been made on part of the TVK. But however, we are now looking at, as far as politics and personal life, how we are looking at it to be intertwined in such a way with this video of the speech that went viral. And Dharani, we are looking at sharp reactions that have come in from the ruling TVK, which is planning protests.
Well, TVK's General Secretary N. Anand has instructed all the party's functionaries to undertake protests across the state against Udayanithi. And as far as Chennai is concerned, we're expecting this protest to take place around 10:30 to 11 a.m. in the morning. They are just trying to figure out the location at this point in time. But of course, all the leaders of TVK, be it N. Anand, Raj Mogan or Revant Charan, all of them, they've condemned the speech of Udayanithi Stalin on their respective social media handles. And in fact, the TVK is also planning to file a complaint with the police department against Udayanithi very soon. In fact, even in Chennai, the TVK functionaries, they might be visiting the DGP's office and also the Chennai Commissioner's office to file a formal complaint against Udayanithi is what we are learning at this point in time. So this is also likely to happen. So the TVK is taking this matter very seriously, and they are, demanding an apology from Udayanithi. And they've told that Trisha is not associated with TVK or any other political party directly or indirectly. In that sense, what is the need for DMK and its leaders to bring Trisha into each and every argument or protest is the question coming in from TVK at this point in time. And in fact, Trisha herself has not reacted to this particular remark by Udayanithi yet.
I think we're going to put out exactly what has been said and what triggered this controversy, because it seems that both the TVK and the BJP are coming out to condemn the statement. Let's put that out.
எங்க தண்ணி வருதோ இல்ல அங்க தண்ணி வரணும். காவிரி சொன்ன எங்க தண்ணி வருதோ இல்ல அங்க தண்ணி வரணும். காவிரி சொன்ன எங்க தண்ணி வருதோ இல்ல அங்க தண்ணி வரணும்.